Okay, today we're not going to be talking about the demon. This will still be a demon channel. Don't get it twisted. But we're going to talk about an exhaust change on my 2024 Ford F-150 with the 5.0 Coyote. There's the stock exhaust. Let's talk about it. I bought an exhaust kit for my 2024 Ford F-150 with the 5.0 Coyote motor. Now, I bought the Ford Performance exhaust kit, which is basically, it is the Borla exhaust kit. It comes in three sound levels. One is the S-Type, which is medium, the Attack, which is really loud, and I purchased the Touring, which is the lowest sounding one. I didn't want it too loud. We will do complete sound tests and everything. Right now, the stock exhaust is still on it, so I'll let you hear it from inside the cabin. Then we'll do outside with the stock exhaust, and then I'll follow up with the Borla exhaust. This is stock inside the cabin. Doesn't sound too bad stock, now does it? The V8 Coyote motor sounds great right from the factory, but I was looking for a sound a little more aggressive, so I went with this kit right here. It cost about $1,600 direct from Ford Performance. You could get it from Borla, but it'd be the same price, so I went with Ford because I have the Ford Pass app, and you get points if you buy it through there, and I wanted the points. So the points could be used towards other purchases like oil changes, things like that. You gather enough and that stuff ends up free. So I went through Ford Performance and bought this kit through them. It's exactly the same thing as if you get it directly from Borla, so that's your choice. But now let's hear what it sounds like it has been installed. This is how it sounds inside the cabin. Not too loud, it's just like I like it. The kit looks like underneath. It comes with that heat shield that you see there. It's there. full idea of the kit. That's what it looks like. All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's it. I forgot to mention I had to order the extended piece, the extension piece as well in this kit, due to this truck having the 6.5 foot bed along with the full crew cab. Stay tuned. Even though I know this is a Dodge Demon channel, I'm going to talk about the Ford more. I'm going to give a real 2024 Ford F-150 review on this truck, since I've had it since May. And what I mean by real is I bought the truck and own it. And I didn't just show up to a dealership and walked around and test drove it and then I'm going to tell you what I think. No, this is a real Ford owner telling you about a truck that he's experienced with now. I have put 6,000 miles on it. So if you want to see that video, that's coming up as soon as I can get a chance. Like, comment, and subscribe.